and all my school fellows. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Minahil and I am from class 5 Sapphire. My speech topic is education. Education is a procedure of learning where knowledge, skills and habits move from one generation to the other. Moreover, education is essential for the overall development of the human being. For instance, their personal, social as well as the economic development of the country. If we talk about the importance of education in our daily life, we have to admit that it improves our personal life and helps in the running society smoothly by protecting everyone, including ourselves, from harmful and expected events. Thank you for your attention.